how to report a lost or stolen credit card on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, has your credit card been lost or stolen and you want to report it to Capital One Bank? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open up the browser and then you'll need to go to capitalone.com and scroll down to the bottom. There you'll find Contact Us. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see various FAQs. Tap on requesting a replacement credit card. And then you can scroll down to the bottom. And there you can see, what if I think I've lost my credit card? Just tap on it. And then here you can see, if you find a card, you can unlock and continue to use it as normal. If you know your card has been lost, report it immediately. So you can tap on the link and a new page will open up. And you'll need to put in a username and password and report it, and Capital One will get back to you within few hours. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.